Hello everyone! Today we continue working with the top with wrapovers. Have a look at the sketch once again. Last time I showed you how to make a pattern. Today I'll show you how to cut and tack the top. Next time I'll try it on together with the shorts. The shorts are ready, by the way. I think that they will look amazing together with the top. I remind you that I'm making the top with the wrapovers because the fabric is gauzy. So the front and the back details should be double. The center front is pinned on the grain, as well as the center back. I can cut the right and the left details at once because this top is not asymmetric. The sides are even. This is why the fabric is folded in half. I want to make a top a bit longer, just in case I need some for an overcast. Or if I decide to make the top a couple of centimeters longer. I'll add about 5 centimeters. The length of the fabric allows me doing that. I'll also make the side seams a bit wider than usual. I remind you that we're making a top with the wrapovers. Watch the first tutorial if you haven't done it yet. Let's start cutting. I remind you that the seams in all round parts should be not more than 7 mm wide. To the other details, you can add as much as you want. I add 1 cm for a seam here. As I've already said, don't pay attention to this dart top. You can change the design if you want to. You can, for example, make the lower detail without a wrapover, so that the top detail covers it. It will also look good. When I cut the details, there will be still pieces of fabric left for the bindings and so on. I'm trying not to hurry because the fabric is very thin. I remind you that you should add just 5 or 7 mm for the seams to the round details, necklines and armholes. I don't want to get anyone offended, but what do people who give some strange advice on how to cut thin fabrics think? I mean, using hairspray? Don't ever do this, guys. Don't hurry and be attentive. These are the only advice I can give you. Also, do not forget that practice makes perfect. Do not forget to make notches on the neckline, on the center back and on center front. We need to do it in order not to match them accurately later. Notice that I've already moved the pattern a bit. It's so easy to do it. This is why I need to be very careful. It's just the side seam that is left to be cut. I need to make a notch in the center front. The fabric is placed on the table wrong side up. I will draw the dot first, and then pin it to trace it to the other side. When I draw the dart, I'll remove the pattern and start tacking. I've pinned the dart, so now I can turn the detail to draw it. That's it. Now I can remove the pattern and start tacking. We need to start with the darts. The fabric is very thin, so it's hard even to tack it. I decided not only to tack the dart, but also tack it to the item. I'll tack the second dart next. You saw the way Natalie works. She does everything perfectly, even tacking. You should learn from her. I prefer to tack by side. I can do it because I have a huge sewing experience. You should be very careful when working with such fabric. It's very thin. I usually show you much more than I plan to. This is kind of a free sewing school. I hope that you appreciate it. This is the first front detail, and this is the second one, which will be attached on top of the first one. First, we need to match the notches on the center front. I'll pin them. I need to tack the necklines, the armholes, and the side seams. It's pretty hard to work with this fabric. I need to pin the necklines accurately before taking them, and the armholes. When I tack the two layers of the shoulders and the neckline, they will be further stitched and edged together as if just one layer. Don't hurry. Be very attentive. The front of the top is ready. I've already tacked the neckline, the shoulders, and the parts of the armholes which are double. The front is ready. Next, I'll tack the back and show it to you. I need to tack it just like the front, the neckline, the shoulders, and the armholes. The back is ready. I've already showed you the front. Let's have a look at it once again. All the double details should be further used just like one layer. When I take the shoulders and the side seams, I'll try the top on. Have a look at me. The top is tacked. This is how it looks like from the front and from the back. I remind you that the front and the back are double in the center. The top is pretty wide and comfortable. It seems pretty simple, but actually I need to know some special sewing techniques to make it. Now you know how to make such light tops and blouses with wrap-overs. You can also make a dress this way. That's all for today. Be different and beautiful. My name is Pakshti Irina. Guys, please subscribe to my channel, write comments, share videos, and press the like and the bell buttons. I really need your support. Thank you. Goodbye.